Are you having your best day you've ever had?
I'm gonna tell you. I'm just gonna say like this. On my Moomoo account, I'm up 10% overall account, and on my Robinhood, I'm up. On my Robinhood, I am up 7% overall account.
So 17% on both of your accounts total up today in one day, and it's not even been 30 minutes.
And I can tell you one thing: my Moomoo account is nothing but shares now because I do that just shares, and it's all hot stock picks or hot stock.
Nice.
And I'm very comfortable with it because I don't have to. I could sleep at night. And
Yeah.
then my Robinhood, I'm doing all the shares. I mean, all the contracts. So
Yeah.
I prove a point to myself that I can do shares and still be very, very profitable.
Yes, absolutely, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
People want to know. People want to know what you started with, Lolo.
Me, when I joined here,
Yes, sir.
$33,000 in the hole, and then I started
the
with
hole.
1,000. I started with 1,000. I paper traded for 2 weeks, journaled everything. Then I started with $1,000. Took that grand when Tesla fell to 101 or 10 something. Took that grand to like 16.5. Told me about what, Coach, about 2 weeks ago that I needed to go in a little bit heavier.
Yes, you were ready.
That's when really the change started to happen.
Yeah, you were ready, right?
Yep.
What strategy was that? Was it options 2 minute or was it just you holding?
Everything was 2-minute EWO. I don't trade until unless it's a position that I leave overnight or whatever, but I don't trade anything until 8:55, 5 minutes before shift change. I started looking at EWOs and stuff like that. This morning, like Shop, I had it since yesterday. Snap, I had it since yesterday. And SMX, I had it since yesterday. But a lot of those were shares.
And by the way, so Lolo's paid off his wife's truck. He's paid off his house. And I'm sure he's got more than $1,000 left. That's awesome. Buddy.
Oh, yeah.
It's $1,000.
I just don't like to.
So you know what's funny, Lolo? Everybody was expecting you to be like, I started with 200 million, you know, and you're like, I started with 33,000 in the hole.
I started in the hole.
That was before me, by the way. That was before American Dream Trading. So Lolo, so you were down 33,000 before you joined us, and look at all the success afterward. And how long have you been with us?
I think it's a little bit over 2 months, Coach. It hasn't been that long.
Did you guys all hear that? For all my new.
And my goal was to be a moderator. I wanted to be one so bad. I just didn't have the info or didn't know how to do it. And
yeah.
I was like, because I've always helped people, you know, and that's what I like about this.
You're a moderator, so poof.
Yep.
You guys heard that though, right? 2 months. He's gone from 33,000 in the hole to he could possibly look at retirement if he wanted. You guys are listening to this. Yes. 2 months.
Yes, Coach.
2 months. 2 months.
Incredible.
Great job, Lolo.
That's awesome. Great job, Lolo.
Good job, Momo.
Great job.
One of the best things I can tell you is y'all listen whenever Coach repeats something several times, listen to that. And Jimmy has a lot of words of wisdom that like he doesn't say it, but if you listen to him, Mitch, man, I've stood by Mitch by his side, you know, since day one. In the after hours and in the mornings, and David, you know, now with time you get to know a lot more people.
Right.
A true family, I'll tell you that.
Thank you, man.